I'm Kris McCusker in the 680 Business Center. The TSX, the S&P, and the NASDAQ all moved above their record closing highs during the session today. The TSX also hit an intraday record for the second time in 3 sessions. Now, earnings continue to roll in on both sides of the border. In Canada, Teck Resources stock saw a pretty big bounce after it reported earnings. Coca-Cola had better than expected earnings. Lockheed Martin in the U.S. saw the biggest one-day gain since 2016. And then Hasbro, get this, that stock saw its biggest one-day gain since 1996 after it reported better than expected sales growth. Now, we do get an interest rate announcement from the Bank of Canada tomorrow. No change is expected. Our loonie did lose a bit of ground today. Energy analyst at Raymond James and Associates warning that the U.S. imposition of tougher oil sanctions on Iran is unambiguously bullish for the price for oil. Analysts say that American ally Saudi Arabia will take its time to ramp up oil production to make up for the lost Iranian oil exports. Now, U.S. President Donald Trump gave several countries, including India and China, waivers to keep importing oil from Iran when it announced those sanctions last year. But yesterday, those exemptions, it was announced, would expire in May. Global oil prices have been climbing in the wake of the announcement, although the Canadian crude index did not keep pace today. Energy stocks as a group on Bay Street did see gains. Shares in Suncor and Imperial Oil did move higher. And for the first time in 5 years, Lululemon held an investor day. And we are hearing the Canadian yoga pants maker is planning to sell personal care products going forward. The company has also described the men's market as one of its largest growth areas. Now, the stock, which only trades in the U.S., did hit an all-time high today. Shares have more than tripled in the last 5 years. I'm Kris McCusker in the 680 Business Center for City News.